The Thoh Shun Art Camp 2023, hosted at the ICSSR premises NEHU Shillong, featured 12 artists from Santiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktoni and others from Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong. Inaugurated by the Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture Department Government of Meghalaya, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, the 10-day event paid tribute to the late Poet Laureate of Meghalaya, Soso Tham. The camp explored challenges faced by creative individuals today, emphasizing the need for institutionalized art support. Additionally, the Quotient Excellence Award ceremony honored Heibormi Sungoh for his significant contributions to Khasi literature and culture. The event included lectures, presentations, and a film screening of Garnering, garnering praise for its portrayal of Khasi traditions. The establishment of the Pritpal Singh Sehdev Memorial Award was announced with plans for the next art camp collaboration between Santiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktoni and Riti Academy of Visual Arts. A cultural tour provided insight into the folk culture of Pahambir Heritage Village, enhancing the overall experience for participating artists.
Ulum yakiku tipersane iksiu ting 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 skat buai usempura mi banu banu